Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Make.com and launch scenario automation faster, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Make.com, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.make.com and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the Get Started button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Get Started button to proceed to the registration page. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to log in. If you are new to Make.com, fill out the required fields to create a new account. After creating your account, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, return to Make.com and log in using your credentials. On the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the interface. To create your first scenario, click on the Create a New Scenario button. You will be prompted to choose your desired apps for automation. Select the apps you want to connect and click Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up triggers and actions for your scenario. Once configured, test your scenario to ensure everything runs smoothly. If the test is successful, save your scenario by clicking the Save button. To launch your automation, click on the Run button. Your scenario is now live and automating tasks for you. Continuously monitor and adjust your scenarios as needed to optimize performance. Enjoy the benefits of streamlined automation with Make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.